may we know kung ilang hearings pa and what is the possibility, sir, na makaharap pa si Zaldico knowing na nasa France nga siya, tas ano siya ng asylum, paano po
Yeah.
ba?
We will await the decision of the French government kung magagrant yung kanyang asylum. It is now incumbent upon this administration to oppose the application for asylum. Kasi hindi naman hindi naman yun siguradong ma-approve eh. Even yung kay dating Secretary Roque, wala naman nakakasigurado na yung asylum magagrant. Kasi kung ang best I think yung best case nila para mag-grant yung persecution. Pero kung ganyan, so challenge ito sa government to really vigorously oppose yung application for asylum. And if and when he is returned to the country, doon ko plano na i-confront siya doon sa mga Marines. Kasi after all, kung yung 18 Marines ang papatawag natin, nanggagaling lang naman yung sinasabi nila kay Zaldico eh. So there's no point.